how to link your Twitter with your Roblox on Roblox, of course. So in this video I will show you guys how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first you need to open your Roblox, and then you have to come to this 3 point here. Right now open your settings and go directly to account information. So after that, what's the next step? Now you need just to scroll down to social networks, as you see. Now I wanna link my Twitter to my Roblox. I will just write the link of my account here or my username, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch on us. See you now.